So first thing first, we have to make a quick check in a closed cover pen to make sure everything is fine, because here all the animals are near to calve, so they're gonna calve in a week probably. And yeah, we got a calf here, a very nice surprise in the morning. That's a Holstein calf, looks like it's a heifer. Let's see. Sorry girl, just a minute. It's a bull, so I'll just dip her navel so it not get infected. So it's iodine spray I have, so we'll just spray on her navel to make sure it not get infected, because that's the part in the calf can get infected so fast. That's it. Okay, sorry. All others are look fine. Some of them are relaxing, some of them are eating, and the cows over there, because the milking time is almost start, so these cows are start coming near to the gate. Probably these will be the first 3-4 animals who will go to the parlor to get milk. Hi guys, my name is Habib and I'm working in southwest of Scotland in a dairy farm from the last 5 years as a herdsperson. And in this video I'll share with you our daily routine, and the purpose of making this video is to encourage the young people who wants to come in dairy farming, because you don't have to be from a dairy background. Why this is related to me? Because I was the same when I was 18, and now I'm here after 11 years. I have 11 years of experience, and that's my profession now. And whenever I ask myself what else I can do if I leave the dairy farm, I always came back with no answer. So let's get started. We have to follow up some treatments. These are according to the vet protocol, and some examination to do. So let's do it then. So animals are coming out from the parlor and they are getting short, and we need them. There is few inseminations to do here, and there is few cows to do follow-up treatment. They looks better now. She was on treatment, which she is eating now, which is good. And we have this cow. She has mastitis, the infected milk. It's pretty bad, so we will treat her. So the standard treatment for us with these cows, we give them tube, intramammary, and give them anti-inflammatory, which will help them to heal. And I'll put the red tape on her legs so she'll not go in the tank, because this milk is not suitable for human consumption. She is good to go now. We'll do her follow-up treatment for a few days. Everyone is doing their job. The milking team almost finished. They're just cleaning. So this scraper, I don't like these scrapers. I hate these scrapers. Tractor scraper is far better than these. I don't like them. What you doing here? Oi, go back. Go back. You don't belong to here. Go, 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 go. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, go. Go. So that's their feeding time, and probably he's hungry more than anyone, so he just decided to come out. Stay here. They are our young heifers. They are around 12 to 14 months. Now they are young enough to get bred, so they are here. They was in the field before. We will inseminate them here. They'll stay here for 2 to 3 months, and they'll go back again to the field. And when they are near to calve, they'll come in this house. From this house, when they are near to calve, we will move them in closed calving pen, and when they calve, they'll join the milking herd. As you can see, everything is locked up, and I need only 2 heifers out of 300 heifers, and she's the one behind. That's life. That's life. This heifer needs to put collar on. All others heifer have collar on. She came last week because she was not coming in head yoke, so she's the only one remaining. So I'll just write their number, put the collar on, so then we can get a clear notification when she'll come in heat, if she is sick,